Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I visited Park Place Limited in Bellevue, and look at what they have. This is a 1959 Porsche 356 Convertible D. This car is so beautiful even though it's very old. Now you might be wondering what engine powers this classic Porsche. Now this is powered by a gas 1600cc four-cylinder engine that is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Now this color is called the Mason Blue, which it's a very beautiful and light blue color. And this has a very classic red interior. Now other things that makes this classic Porsche to stand out includes the professionally built 1750cc 912 engine currently in this car. Now this was professionally built by Skerment Racing and they installed it in 2000. That is including the late 1960 block. Okay, so this is a very classic and rare car. Now this still has the original transmission case with numbers. The restoration on this Porsche was done by Elhot Metal Fab in Seattle that replaced the left and right floor pans, center tunnel, outer lungs, and driver's door post, and a few small patch areas in September 2016. And now Peterson Custom in Mount Vermont stripped down to bare shell in May 2017, and they installed a new front cowl and a dash, a rear fender clip, firewall, passenger door post, and a rear shelf above the engine lid installed. Now they took this car to Ready Strip in Canada, where they dipped the whole body in phosphate coating, and the body was painted and undercoated for both protection and sound deadening. Now YMZ harness installed with additional wires for electronic attack, which is really amazing. Now if you buy this car, you get a Porsche certificate of authenticity that serves the invoice and restoration photos on file, which is really amazing. Do you want to know how much this car currently costs? This 1959 Porsche 356 Convertible D currently costs about $174,950 after a discount of what it was previously on sale for. So this makes it a very beautiful and rare classic car, and how I wish I can afford this car right now. I would have bought this car in a heartbeat. So yeah, please tell me what you think about this beautiful 1959 Porsche 356 Convertible D. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please press the bell notification icon and like this video so that when I post future videos like this, you will be among the first to see my videos. Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you in my next video.